Hi, I'm Chef Amy Hoagie, and I'm here to teach you how to play with food, where I take a classic recipe, change it up a little bit to create a whole new dish. Today I'm playing with peas, sweet peas. These are actually cold. I'm going to go ahead and we're making a sweet pea and onion salad. So I've got some peas here, about maybe 3/4 of a cup. This is about maybe a two-person salad. I've got some cooked bacon, maybe a tablespoon. Love bacon. Then I've got some onion. I'm probably going to put maybe a tablespoon or two of onion in there. Then a pinch of salt. Add salt, livens things up. Got a little bit of pepper here. And then instead of using an olive oil, you can use, or mayonnaise, you can use a little bit of an olive oil. I'm going to use maybe a teaspoon just to kind of hold it all together. I'm just going to toss this together. I love the colors. It's important when you're creating a dish or playing with different ingredients to think about the appearance. And I personally love using a red onion or purple onion. I don't know why they call it red. It's actually purple. So anyway, here's our salad. That didn't take long. Who says you can't have dinner on the table, huh? This is a good side. I think you can make this with some chicken. Yum. Thank you for joining me. Here's our cold pea salad with onion. I'm Chef Amy Hoagie. You can visit me at my website at chefamy, that's with 2 e's.com.